Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today I am going to share with you Subway style veggie patty sandwich at home. So without any further ado, let's get started. First we are going to prepare the patties. For this here I have taken some French beans, approximately 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of chopped carrot. These are boiled corns, 1 tablespoon of sliced capsicum or bell pepper and 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, and now grind it, and this is how it looks like. We have to just grind it coarsely. Now here I have taken 1 medium size boiled and diced potato or potato and 1 teaspoon of boiled peas, and now grind it. And after grinding, this is how the mixture looks like. We do not want to make the paste, just grind it so that they mix all together. After that, add cumin and coriander powder, black pepper 1 teaspoon or according to your taste, half teaspoon of salt or according to your taste, and these are 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. These are homemade breadcrumbs. Add into this mixture and now properly mix everything. And check if you need more salt. At this point you can add the salt. Now take a orange size portion from this mixture and start making the rectangular size patties while pressing it from the sides as I am showing you here. And once you are getting the desired shape, this is how the shape. Now spread some breadcrumbs into the plate and coat this patty into the breadcrumbs and press it with your hand lightly, and similar way make 2 of the patties. Here I have prepared 2 of the patties and coat it into the breadcrumbs. Now it's time to fry these. I am going to shallow fry these, but you can deep fry these also. For this here I have taken 4 tablespoons of oil, and now I am going to shallow fry these from both the sides until it turns dark brown. Flip it once it is dark brown from one side, and after frying from both the sides, this is how it looks like, so crunchy. After frying, remove this onto the kitchen towel and set this aside. To prepare the sandwich, here I have taken the French bread. It has some Italian seasoning on top of that, but you can use simple French bread. I am going to cut it into 2 halves. One I am going to use now and one I am going to use it for later. Now make a slit in between the bread. This is basically 6 inch in size, and now open it up. At this point I am going to place this onto the cookie tray because I am going to toast it. But before that I am going to spread some cheese. I am going to use mozzarella cheese, but you can use American cheese or sliced cheese, and if you want to toast it then only you can toast it. Now I am going to toast it for 1 minute. And now here I am going to make some sauce for this. Here I have taken mayonnaise 2 tablespoons and 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of mustard sauce, and now give it a quick mix. You can add any flavor of your choice into the mayonnaise sauce, and this is how the sauce is ready. And here I have cut some vegetables to prepare the sandwich, some lettuce leaves, onions, olives, spinach leaves, tomatoes, cucumbers, capsicums and pickled cucumber. Now after 1 minute I have removed it from the oven, and you have seen the cheese is slightly melt and the bread is slightly crust. And now I am going to start adding the layer of the vegetables. First I am going to spread the layer of lettuce, after that the cucumbers. Veggies you can use according to your choice, and slice of tomatoes, some onions and spinach leaves. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to use the same vegetables that I am using here. You can use any vegetable of your choice. You can use jalapeno. After that I am going to use some pickled cucumbers that I have had at home, and some olives. You can use black olives. I'm using green olives. And after that, I'm going to place 2 veg patties that we have prepared earlier. After placing the veg patties, add the prepared chili sauce. You can use green chili sauce also instead of this mayonnaise chili sauce. Now it's time to close it with the help of knife. Just press it and close it. Your Subway style veggie patty sandwich is ready. Isn't it so easy and yummy and fresh? You can serve some french fries and you can give it to your kids into the lunch box, and there are different variations of this. If you don't want to add the patties, just simply add the veggies and you are good to go. And if you like this easy recipe of making Subway style veggie sandwich at home, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.